Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is March the 31st, and I just wanted to do a really fast update video on our basil. So the last video I did was 5 days ago, which was March the 26th. So in that video, we had taken a clipping and I had started that off, and I just want to lift this out and just show you the amount of activity now, the size of these roots. It's unbelievable. Let me tilt this up so you can see it. Look at this. It's crazy. I guess if I undo this, we can get a better look. I'll just lift that out. Look at this. Just want to check I'm on camera here. Look at that compared to that 5 days ago. So I was wondering in that last video, if this would take off correctly, properly, and I'm having amazing results. So that there is the nutrient that I added to that at the time of that video that I filmed it. So there we go. So this has been under the LED grow lights 16 hours a day. So that one there doing really well. And then we can switch over to this one. And so in that video as well, 5 days ago, we had just started these off. So I had clipped these that day, and let's lift them out and look at this. Look at the roots. Not sure which is better with my hand there, but look at the roots on that. Amazing. I'm going to let those go a few more days, and then I'm going to start them off in another little thing like this. I'm just going to properly get them seeded in there. But I'm really impressed. So I've taken a little bit of time, and the yield really nice. And these also have been under those grow lights 16 hours a day. So anyway, so my little experiment worked out really well. So really fast video update for today. Thanks very much for watching. Today is Easter. Happy Easter to everybody who celebrates. That's it for now, and I'll catch you on the next one.